Hi guys, so in this my short session today I'll be dropping a mnemonic on the inducers and inhibitors of hepatic cytochrome P450 enzyme system. This is a common MCQ question, even oral questions in some professional exams. So what are the inducers, what are the inhibitors of these enzymes? It's good we know them. So just a quick introduction to what this enzyme is about. So cytochrome P450 enzyme system, a family of enzymes predominantly found in the liver, and they can also be found in the small intestine, the lungs, the placenta, and the kidneys. So just a quick intro into how this name came about. So cyto, that is cell, meaning that this enzyme system is found along the cell membrane, and then chrome P, this is the impigment that this enzyme system carry and is found when exposed to light at a wavelength of 450 nanometers. So that's how the name Cytochrome P450 came about. So like I said, there are a family of enzymes predominantly expressed in the liver, and there are more than 50 enzymes in this category. And among these 50, there are 6 major ones which I will be showing you shortly. What is the role of this enzyme system? Majorly, they play a role in the metabolism of drugs, detoxification of foreign chemicals, and also in the production of some other um, compounds within the body like cholesterol, thrombosin A2. So most of the metabolism that occurs in the liver, about 90% of the metabolism of drugs that occurs in the liver is through this system of enzyme called cytochrome P450. And even among those enzymes, we have 6 major categories which are just highlighted. So from cytochrome A12 to cytochrome 3A5, these are the 6 major cytochrome enzymes that play a role in the metabolism of drugs and xenobiotics. And even among these 6, we have 2 major ones which I have starred on this particular slide: cytochrome 2D6 and cytochrome 3A4. They are the major enzymes even among this big family of enzymes. So we can take note of that. And so what are inducers? What are inhibitors now? Really to the meat of the matter. So inducers are substances that accelerate the metabolism of drugs and other compounds by enhancing the activity of these enzymes. So basically, when their activity is accelerated through some compounds and substances, we have an induction effect. So, and in the reverse, we have inhibitor effects for substances that help to modulate the activities of this enzyme. And this inhibitor effect is quite important when drug toxicity is being discussed, because when the activities of this enzyme are slowed by these inhibitor substances, the compound, the drug stays for a longer period within the body system, and that can tilt such a person to um, toxic levels. So it's important we have an idea of what these inducers might be and what these inhibitors might be, not just for exam purposes, but also for the sake of practice. When we have to prescribe medications, we have to pay attention to these drug interactions. So what are these inducers? We have them listed here on this slide, and the mnemonic I'm giving for them is grasp big PC. So once you remember grasp big PC, you can remember what the inducers of cytochrome P450 would be. So that is that on that. And then just on the next slide is the list of inhibitors that we have, and we have the mnemonic caked FM for this set of inhibitors. I hope this helps in our study and practice. Thank you for listening and joining me till some other time. Bye.